Hello, good evening, my dear friends. And you will be happy to know that a Union Public Service Commission has released a notification regarding Engineering Services Examination 2022. And if we talk about the last date for applying this is the 22nd September. You can start applying online from this date, and the last date is 12 October 2021. Further, I would like to tell you that the penalty for wrong answers. Candidates should note that there will be a penalty, negative marking for wrong answers marked by a candidate in the objective type questions. Further, if we talk the preliminary stage first examination of the engineering services examination for recruitment to the services posts mentioned in para 2 below will be held by the Union Public Service Commission on 20th February 2022. Under this, if you passed the examination process that would be held by the Union Public Service Commission, there are 4 categories under which you will get the selection. First is civil engineering, second is mechanical engineering, third is electrical engineering, and fourth is electronics and telecommunication engineering. And under these categories there are many departments in which you will get your selection. If we talk about the eligibility conditions and the age, regarding the age, a candidate must attain the age of 21 years and must not have attained the age of 30 years on the 1st January 2022. I mean to say that he or she must have been born not earlier than 2nd January 1992 and not later than on 1st January 2001. There are relaxations for the reserved categories also in this advertisement. If we talk the minimum educational qualifications for applying this, a candidate must obtain a degree in engineering from a university incorporated by an act of the central or state legislature in India or other educational institutions established by an act of parliament or declared to be deemed as universities under section 3rd of the University Grant Commission Act 1956. And there are also other categories, as I would like to read a few of them. Past graduate membership examination of the Institution of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineers India, past associate membership examination part 2nd and 3rd sections A and B of the Aeronautical Society of India. I would like to say that you should read the advertisement and minimum educational qualifications very carefully before applying for this advertisement. If we talk the plan of examinations, there are 3 stages for the examination. Stage first, engineering services preliminary stage first examination, that would be objective type paper for the selection of candidates. For the stage second, engineering services main examination. Stage second, engineering services main examination would be conventional type papers, and stage third would be held stage third would consist of personality test. If we talk the stage first preliminary stage first examination, the examination shall comprise of 2 papers. First paper, general studies and engineering aptitude, that would be duration for 2 hours and maximum marks 200. And paper second for the concerned discipline as civil engineering or mechanical engineering and other streams, that would be for 3 hours duration and consist of maximum marks 300. And the total marks would be for 500 for preliminary examination. After that, if we talk about the main examination, there would be 2 papers regarding your concerned discipline, that would be 3 hours duration and maximum marks would be 600. And the last, if you clear the first second I mean to say preliminary examination and main examination. After that you will face the personality test, and that would be for 200 marks. So my dear friends, if you want to apply for this and you have the eligibility conditions, or you fulfill the eligibility conditions criteria for this examination, so you can apply before the last date for UPSC, Union Public Service Commission. I would like to say the best of luck for your examination and apply for these posts. And if you like my channel and you want to get the notification or updates for various type of examinations, you would like to share my channel, or you should subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.